All pros on each side. And the guy on the other side, Champ Bailey, loved him.
Yeah, the guy, very loud, so many plays. He's continuing to make plays. I know he's going to make plays for us. I mean, playing on the other side of the team.
Hi.
All the action. So hopefully it's me, if I get more picks. But he'll make a lot of plays for us, and I'm looking forward to it.
The college basketball was season to forget. Not enough. David Mulder, one remember that dramatic win over Nebraska 11 plus years as the head dog for Pack. Xavier Silas, a freshman, has a great day on senior day. 7 points in 11 minutes. But that wasn't the issue. The 11 minutes. Silas didn't finish the game. Got to do a little tip with the Husker. Watch Colonel Pack go off the bench, pick up his player. Don't mess with coach. He's a complete black belt. All right, here's the break. Less than a minute left. Cal Bay, 3 Bucks beat the Huskers 73-69. Second wins, coach. Seeing history goes out on an up.
Hi. Are you watching the news?